following lesson, we're going to try to stylize a little bit your playing just by adding a few neighboring notes. So we're going to take a chord and we're going to try to see what notes are around that can enhance the chord that we're actually playing. So for the first chord, we're going to take a look at A minor. I'm doing a simple A minor arpeggio here. Okay, I'm going to take a look at the chord. I have C, I have A, and I have E, and I'm doing A as a bass, right? So what would happen if I take the C out and now I'm going to have an open B, right? It's going to sound something like this. As you can hear, it's starting to sound a lot better. Instead of just staying with that A, I'm adding a little bit of an extra note and it's creating this kind of unique sound to it. Let's see what else is around here. And I'm not going to go into details on naming all of these notes because that can get a little complicated. So I'm just going to explore some notes around the chord. So I have a D here, and let's see how that sounds. I like it. Let's add that B. Let's take away one of the notes. Let's take away this A right here. We have A already in the bass. Let's see how that sounds. Minor 7 there, and as you can see, the sound is starting to become a lot more rich in sound, right? We have a chord that's a little bit more, has a few more extra notes, and it's a little bit more rich in their sound. Let's see what happens if we just, I don't know, start exploring with the same notes, but we're just going to move that to the 5th fret here. We're going to have C, and we're going to have G. The 3rd string that was open, so now we have these 2 notes here. Let's leave B open and E open, see how that sounds. A little bit more creative, and we can add some notes here to create a little bit of contrast to what we're doing. So let's add an F sharp here, see what happens. Okay, basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the chord, I'm just taking a look at some of the notes that are surrounding the chord, and I'm trying to enhance the chord, making it a little bit more rich in terms of their harmony. Okay, so I'm just testing around some of the notes, see what works, seeing what doesn't work, and that seems to be working out. Okay, so my advice to you is take a chord and start looking at what notes are surrounding the chord, and don't be afraid to add some sounds that might, or a note that might not be part of the chord that might sound great. So give it a try.